That's better. How you feeling, Manchester? Oh, great. Does Kylie look? Oh. Bloody hell. Thanks for coming down and making this a special night tonight, anyway. Oh.
The end is near, so I face the final curtain. My friends, I'll say it clear, state my case, of which I'm certain. I've lived a life that's full. I've traveled each and every highway, and more, much more than this. Regrets, I've had a few, but then again, too few to mention. I did what I had to do, saw it through with a tax exemption. I planned each charted course, each careful step along the byway, and more, much more than this. Guess there were times, I'm sure you knew, when I bit off more than I could chew. But through it all, and there was doubt, I ate it up and spit it out. The record showed I took the blows and did it my way. I'd loved, I'd laughed and cried, shed my tears, my share of boozing. And now, as tears subside, find it all so confusing. So think I did all that, and may I say, not in a shy way. Oh no, oh no, not me. For what is a man?